Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So we are just playing outside right now and it has been crazy. We have like a snowstorm here. We have about like 18 inches that we got, and the kids had a wonderful like snow day yesterday, so that was fun. We went to gymnastics this morning and it was like a whiteout, but it does look really pretty on our trees. I'll let you guys see everyone.
Guys, we had barely any snow, but now we have like so much. It goes up to here. Like, 'cause there's so much. So much around everywhere. On deck on Friday and on Thursday, and now there's snow everywhere around it. Snow like everywhere. One spot everywhere.
So our trees look really pretty. What are you gonna do, babe?
Huh? I am going to go sledding on this little boat. That
Woo!
I definitely ready.
You can make a snow angel.
Huh?
You wanna make a snow angel?
No.
No, not yet.
But I would, but right now, no.
Okay.
I have to make a big leaf.
Woo!
So I'm making a big wheel where I can get off of it. I'm gonna try to make it really, really big.
You're gonna make a big ramp.
So like, here is the first part of it, and now we're gonna make it a little big. Where we start. Also, shoot this, I did.
I don't think you can really see what you built anymore. She built like 3 big balls.
Actually 4.
4 big balls. What was it, like on Thursday?
Yeah.
It was really small, and well, it wasn't really small, but the snow, we barely had any snow the other day, and now we just have so much.
But it isn't good packing snow.
You don't think it is?
It isn't.
It is super wet, yeah.
Oh.
They even had to like close down one of the highways today because semis have been like sliding off, even like tipping over, like even a cement truck tipped over yesterday. So it's been pretty crazy here.
I'm trying to make a big wheel, but I just can't.
You just can't? Probably need a shovel.
Oh. Yeah, I do need a shovel.
You do?
The shovel's by the door.
Is that good?
No.
It's not good?
No. Guys, I don't recommend eating snow.
You don't think it's like ice cream? What if you put some Mio in it? Would it be really good?
I did yesterday. It wasn't good.
Oh yeah.
Okay. But what is good is lemonade.
Yeah, what'd you do again? Tell everyone what you did.
What, for the lemonade or the sushi?
Yeah, how you guys brought cups outside and filled it up with snow to make your own slushies.
Yeah, we made like a snow cone, but it didn't make 2 snow cones, so we made it into a slushie. But the slushie with all of the drink, it just didn't manage to make it. We're gonna be walking in the spot that no one walked in. Let's get going. Stop, Blake. Okay. Stop, Blake.
Is that freezing?
Stop, Blake.
It is cold. I have some pretty thick gloves on right now, and my fingers are freezing. Are your guys' fingers freezing?
Yeah. They're pink Sharpie like glue.
Woo, look at this on me. It's getting pretty deep. It is almost to my knees how deep it is right now. Pretty thick. Ooh, are you building a little, just kind of like a way to bring your sled?
Yeah, aren't you trying to make the ice come? Because then I'm gonna jump onto my so it can fly.
You are?
Like a penguin.
It's gonna be like a penguin.
Yeah. Okay, I guess it kind of feels how I was gonna feel it, but because I kind of fell. Look how much it's snowing.
Woo!
So I'm just gonna,
Oh my gosh!
so I am just waiting there my best and think if I will get to like
Woo.
that's how
You've been kind of digging a lot. Look at that. You got pretty deep.
I know I'm pushing way
You're probably
back.
almost to the grass.
Huh?
You're probably almost to the grass.
Oh yeah, I already got that.
You did?
Yeah, I already got the ice.
Oh wow.
This is like ice skating. There.
It is ice all underneath, yeah.
No, the slide's like ice skating. That's why
Oh, the sled? I didn't even realize you were on that yet.
That's why I need my shovel sled to help me kind of peel all the snow off the ice.
Okay, let's see.
There's too much snow. Ugh. You've got to get the ice. Ah! Ice. Ice. Okay.
Is that snow good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's better than any snow. Then it will.
Woo!
It's cold. It's cold.
Is your nose running? Yeah. Woo! Can you do it one more time for everyone? For everyone to see you do it?
Huh?
Can you do that one more time for everyone? For everyone to see you do it? Woo!
Ow.
Ow.
I hit a snow one. Ooh, ice.
Uh-oh.
Ice.
So it says it's 22 degrees here, but the real feel is 17 degrees. And we are all bundled up, but it's just so cold here. I have like thick gloves on, and
I'm freezing.
I am too. I feel like that I can't even feel my fingers right now. It is cold. Woo!
Guys, look how big this is. Oh, no. Also, this is a puppy. Go to Norman This and Moya channel.
Yes.
It will, if you click channels on a home thing, then you will find it. Ready?
And guys, I shoveled this last night, and this is how much snow we had in the middle of the night when we were sleeping. And I also shoveled it
I
on,
wasn't sleeping.
I shoveled it on Thursday as well. So yesterday though, we did not have all of this. Well, we had what, like 6 inches yesterday?
Yeah.
And then,
Now
yeah,
we
it's like
have 1,200 probably.
1,200, yeah. So we had a lot. So I had to shovel it, and now
Oh, Norman's afraid.
I have to reshovel it.
I'm afraid.
Woo.
No. Just slide. Oh no, follow these.
Do you guys got it?
Look, Norman's just stuck right there.
You guys are making the path for him to go down. Look how pretty it is though. Hope you made it down. Yay!
Guys, Norman's just sitting there like, hello.
Yeah, he is.
Snowball. I wonder what the other that is.
Oh, it's inside the garage. I guess we should have brought it. Look at him!
No, you can't take it from me.
Oh, he wants to go sledding too.
You want to get on with me when I go? No. You have to get on the phone.
Woo! Normie! Woo! Good thing we have a snow dog. Aw, Norman, what do you think? Woo! Oh, he's gonna go sledding.
Thanks for watching.